children, nice to meet you all with a new topic. Let's begin our chapter with a new thought.
A little progress each day adds up to a big result. Once again, a little progress each day adds up to big result.
River, river, little river, bright you sparkle on your way. O'er the yellow bubbles dance like a child at play, like a child at play. River, river, swelling river, on you rush through rough and smooth.
Today we will learn Chapter 15, Major Rivers of India, Part 2.
In the second part of the video series on Indian rivers, we focus on the rivers of peninsular India. The rivers in the peninsular region of India are non-perennial rivers and are largely dependent on rainfall. The point of origin of most of the rivers are in the Western Ghats and Aravalli range. Most of the rivers are east-flowing rivers and empty into Bay of Bengal, while Narmada, Tapti that flow west and flow into Arabian Sea. River Godavari is the largest river in the peninsular India and the second largest river in India after Ganga. Its source is in Triambakeshwar, Maharashtra, and flows through the states of Maharashtra, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh before flowing into Bay of Bengal. Its length is 1465 kilometers. It forms one of the largest river basins in India, which measures up to 3,12,812 square kilometers. The major tributaries of Godavari are Pravara, Purna, Manjira, Pranahita, Indravati, and Sabari. Pranahita river is its largest tributary. Its own tributaries include Vardha, Vainganga, and Penganga. The dams and projects on Godavari and its tributaries include Kashyapi Dam near Nasik, Jaikwadi Dam and the Natsagar Reservoir, the controversial Babli project, Sriram Sagar Dam, Nizam Sagar Dam, Pranahita Chevella project, the newly built Kalveshwaram project, the under construction national project of Polavaram, and Sir Arthur Cotton Barrage. Mahanadi is the major river in east central India. It originates in Dhamtari district and flows through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha before flowing into Bay of Bengal. It traverses a distance of 858 kilometers. Tel is a major tributary of Mahanadi. The famous Hirakud Dam is built on Mahanadi and is one of the first major river valley multipurpose projects built after India's independence. The river was earlier called the Sorrow of Odisha due to its devastating floods, which have been controlled after the building of dam. River Krishna is the second largest river in peninsular India. It originates in Western Ghats near Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra and flows through Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh before flowing into Bay of Bengal. It has a length of 1400 kilometers and is a major source of irrigation for the states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Its delta is one of the most fertile areas and along with Godavari's delta region is considered as the rice granary of South India. The major tributaries of Krishna include, on the right side of the bank, Tungabhadra, which is formed from two rivers Tunga and Bhadra, Koyna and Malaprabha. The left bank of Krishna has the tributaries Bhima, Paleru and Munneru rivers. Major dams and projects on Krishna and the tributaries are the disputed Almaty Dam, Priyadarshini Jurala project, Srisailam Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Pulichintala Dam, Sunkeshla Barrage and Prakasham Barrage. River Penna originates in Nandi Hills and flows through Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It has a length of 597 kilometers. Chitravati and Papagni are its major tributaries. Somasilla Dam in Nellore district is the largest water storage reservoir in this basin. Under Indian River Interlink project, it is planned to connect Somasilla Reservoir with Nagarjuna Sagar. Kaveri originates in Kodagu and flows through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. It has been a bone of contention between the two states. Its length is 800 kilometers. The major tributaries of Kaveri include Harnagi, Kabini and Bhavani. Hemavati Dam, Krishnasagara Dam and Mettur Dam are the prominent dams on this river. While these are east-flowing rivers, there are other major rivers in peninsular India which are west-flowing rivers and flow into Arabian Sea. Narmada River originates from Amarkantak Plateau and flows in between a rift valley between Satpura and Vindhya ranges. It traverses a distance of 1,312 kilometers and has a river basin of 98,796 square kilometers. It forms the traditional boundary between northern and southern parts of India. Indira Sagar Dam, Bargi Dam and Sardar Sarovar project are the main projects on Narmada. Tapti flows almost parallel to Narmada and is also in a rift valley. It originates in Betul district in the Satpura range and drains into Arabian Sea through Gulf of Khambat. Its length is 724 kilometers. Hatnod Dam, Nanduri Dam, along with Ukai Dam are the prominent dams on Tapti. The Ukai Dam has the second largest reservoir in Gujarat after Sardar Sarovar Dam. Mahi River originates in Madhya Pradesh, flows through Rajasthan and Gujarat before reaching Arabian Sea. It has a length of 583 kilometers. Banswada Dam, Kadana Dam and Vanakbori Dam are located on this river. Sabarmati River is famous for having Mahatma Gandhi's Sabarmati Ashram on its banks. It originates in Aravalli range and after flowing through Gujarat, merges with Arabian Sea. Its length is 371 kilometers and has Darohi Dam, which takes care of irrigation, electricity and flood control. Further, there are many rivers which rise in the Western Ghats and flow into the Arabian Sea, with few of the prominent ones being Sharavati, Vaitarana, Kali Nadi, Pamba and others.
Bye bye, children.